Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Nikhil Bansal. Today I am going to present to you what is an ERP and what are the benefits of an ERP. I will also take you through with a brief demonstration of our software, which is an ERP software which helps you to manage your business operations day-to-day basis. I request you to please go through this short introduction video and I'll be back. Thank you.
So, what is ERP software? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, an industry standard term that... Wait a minute, let's not go there. ERP at its essence is a tool for managing information. Okay, so what is managing information all about? Here's a definition we like. Information management is the organized collection, storage and use of information for the benefit of an enterprise. So how do you organize information in your company? I bet you have a customer database or CRM, and something managing your orders or warehouse, an accounting system, and then you're probably filling gaps in your information pipeline with spreadsheets and manual processes. But none of these talk to each other. They don't share data. It's what people call islands of information, which impacts efficiency. And let's face it, efficiency is connected to time and money. So here is where an ERP system helps you. The ERP centralizes all the information in your organization, and by doing this, you are able to streamline the flow of information. All your business processes become connected end to end. And now, other things become easier. You have a single view of your customer, so you can provide better service. Your team works more efficiently because they have the information they need when they need it. And when you want to analyze your information, since it's all in the same place, you can report on it any way you want. So this is what your ERP does for you. In today's terms, we decided to stick another word at the front, modern ERP. Because centralizing and managing your information seamlessly is just the beginning. Modern ERP allows you to do so much more, like connect to your customers better through a portal, link to modern communication tools like Exchange 365 for your email or Power BI for business intelligence. Modern ERP can speak the same language as your suppliers' systems, things like EDI. Modern ERP is flexible, mobile, cloud, secure, and much more.
Hi, thanks for watching the brief introduction about an ERP. Now I'm going to take you through with an ERP software which we have developed for manufacturing companies, the service industry companies, and we have also developed this for the e-commerce companies, the companies who sell their products online. This is the front end of this ERP, and if you see this is the back end of the ERP software. With the login pass ID and password, you can just log into the ERP software and you will see this dashboard which is in front of you. In this dashboard we have purchase dashboards, inventory dashboards, sales dashboards, we have human resource, HRMS dashboards, recruitment dashboards and finance. You can simply click on any of these dashboards and you can see what is exactly going on in that particular department. You can actually see the total number of purchase orders and the value wise what are the number of purchase orders we have issued. In the number of requests, we see the total number of requests which are open, and likewise you can see what are the number of work orders which are open. If you click on this tab menu button there, you can see all the modules which we have developed for this ERP. I will start with the global master. In the global master we have multiple modules. I'll start with the category, item category. For example, you have a category which is an electronics, that's your parent category. And in that category you can actually develop multiple categories like desktops, mobile, laptops, and then you can actually manage all your items inside these categories. We've also ensured that when you actually define tags on this particular category, it gets replicated to all the items which are created in this item category. We have this item master in which you can actually create the item code, item descriptions, and you can just say that which is the item category under which I want to get this particular item listed. You have multiple tabs in this, which is like your primary unit, secondary unit, and then you also manage your inventory in terms of minimum quantity and maximum quantity. You can also mention the selling price for your e-commerce portal. You can actually mention what is my purchase account, whether I'm doing a bought out item or I'm manufacturing this item. So you can just simply select that particular type. These are the account purchase, the account where in the purchase entries will go. So these are all linked with the finance module. You can give the full description of the item which will be actually available online. You can give the SEO, you can also do the search engine optimization, you can give the meta tags, meta titles, tags, the SEOs, and then you can upload the image and save this item. Once this item is saved, you will see that item is started reflecting online on your website. Now I'll take you through with couple of more information which is related to party masters. You can have actually multiple party masters, whether it's a supplier or a customer or a consultant. You can actually create multiple party masters. I'll take you through with one of the party masters which we have created. In this party master, you can actually capture all the information related to party address, country, state, their tax details, bank details, all that information you can capture in the party master. When you create the party masters, you need to do purchase sales based on the parties which you have created. Now I'll take you through with the purchase module. In this purchase module, we have multiple options. You can create purchase request, purchase orders, GRNs. You can also do inward inspection. Then you create the purchase bill, and then purchase voucher is created automatically in the finance module. So we have developed this module in such a way that you want to do a lengthy process of doing a purchase request, purchase orders, GRN, inward inspection, purchase bill, you will be able to do that. And if let's say you don't want to do that lengthy process and you want to just create purchase and then purchase bill, that is also something which is available. And we have also made a very short process. You can just simply go into the finance module, go to the purchase voucher, and you can enter that purchase voucher directly. So this actually captures all your purchases from the suppliers, whether you're doing a purchase order, GRN, or you do a cash purchase, or you do a direct purchase onto the finance module. I'll take you through with one of the purchase orders which we have created on the demo environment. You can simply click on this print button and then your purchase order is printed. This is an automated process. When you fill that information and all that information is captured, your purchase orders are created without having any hassles. You can see that the company details, supplier details, the tax details, everything is coming automatically on this. Now I'll take you through with our sales module. For this sales module, I will create an order from our e-commerce website. So I just want to say that I want to buy this apple, right? I will just say that quantity. I'll just go on to the add cart. I'll click on the proceed to checkout, and then I can say place order. The moment customer will click on the place order, the order is generated automatically onto the ERP software. So you can very well see that when I'm going to the sales module, I can go to transactions, sales, and I can see that the order is generated automatically. So this is the way we can create all the orders from the e-commerce website. And if let's say the company wants to create any sales order or they want to create any invoices, they can directly come to the modules, which is an invoice module, and they can create that invoice automatically. I'll just show you one of the invoices which we have created for the demonstration. This is the sample of the invoice which we have created, and you can print it out and send it to the customer. If you don't want to print it, you can just simply go onto the view button and you can click on that send button, and the invoice is sent directly to the customer as an email. We also have inventory module wherein you can manage all your opening stocks, physical stock reconciliation. If you want to do any direct additions, you can do that all directly into the inventory module. The transactions, like you want to do some material transfer from one warehouse to the other warehouse, you want to send that material to some other companies for some job work, you can do that, and you can actually send that material through making a GRN from this module. Once you actually manage all your purchase and sales and your inventory is managed, you can simply go into the finance module where you can create all your bank payment vouchers, cash payment vouchers, bank receipt vouchers, cash receipt vouchers, any kind of returns which you made in kind of debit note or credit note, all that you can manage it from the finance module. We have multiple reports in the finance modules which are required by the finance team, which is related to your day book, cash book, bank book. We also have payment outstanding, payable aging analysis, receivable aging analysis. We have trial balance, balance sheets, and profit and loss account. So with this finance module, it actually covers complete processes related to procure to pay and order to cash, and this helps you to manage your day-to-day operations on a daily basis. I wanted to give an introduction about our HR module as well. If you go to the HR module, we have many options which are related to recruitment, applicant database. You can actually do scheduling of interviews, shortlisting of interviews, and all that. So all the leave management, your payroll, salary slips, everything you can do through the HRMS module. So we have different modules which are available in this ERP, and I'll request you to please go through the demonstration link and explore yourself. If you have any questions, you can get back to us anytime. Thank you for watching video. Have a nice day. Take care.